Hey there! Are you ready to turn your smartphone into a money-making machine in 2025? If you have a phone and internet, you already have everything you need to start earning today. Stick around until the end because I'll share the top methods you can use to make real money, starting right now. Let's jump in! Did you know that millions of people are earning a full-time income with just their smartphones? That's right! You don't need expensive equipment or a fancy office anymore. All you need is the right information and some effort to get started. Today, I'll show you the most exciting ways to generate income using only your phone. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start earning with your phone. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer services such as writing, graphic design, video editing, or even virtual assistants. How to start? Download the app for one of these platforms. Create a profile highlighting your skills. Start applying for small jobs that match your expertise. Even if you're a beginner, there are simple tasks like data entry or social media management that can get you started. Content creation. If you enjoy being creative, content creation could be your thing. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are rewarding creators for making engaging content. With consistency, you can start earning through sponsorships, ad revenue, and affiliate marketing. How to start? Pick a niche that interests you, like cooking, fitness, or tech reviews. Use your phone's camera to create high-quality videos. Post regularly and engage with your audience. Remember, viral content isn't built overnight. Be patient and keep improving. Online tutoring. Are you good at explaining things? Online tutoring is another fantastic way to earn with your smartphone. Apps like Cambly, Preply, and Tutorum let you teach students from all over the world. How to start? Sign up on one of these platforms. Showcase your expertise in subjects like English, math, or even music. Schedule sessions and start teaching. You'll not only make money, but also help others learn new skills. Dropshipping. With your phone, you can run a dropshipping business where you sell products without having to keep any inventory. Platforms like Shopify and AliExpress make it super easy. How to start? Set up an online store using Shopify. Find trending products on AliExpress. Market your products using social media ads. Every time someone orders from your store, your supplier ships the product directly to them. Microtasks and surveys. If you're looking for quick and easy ways to earn, try microtasks or paid surveys. Apps like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and ClickWorker pay you to complete small tasks like watching videos, answering surveys, or testing websites. How to start? Download these apps. Create an account. Start completing tasks and earning rewards. While it won't make you rich, it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time. And there you have it, 5 amazing ways to make money in 2025 using only your smartphone. Whether you want to freelance, create content, teach online, or start a business, there's something here for everyone. Before you go, let me ask you this. Which of these methods will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips on earning money and improving your lifestyle. See you in the next video and happy earning!